Now our topic is linear equation in two variable, and here we will study about pair. That is, there will be two equation, linear equation, by which we are able to calculate the value of unknown quantity. If we take a simple linear equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 10, 6x plus 7y is equal to 26. If they ask to calculate x and y, how we will calculate? There is a method, elimination method, which we will use in such type of question. So we have to make the coefficient of x or y equal. Here the coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of x is 6. We can make coefficient equal of x or y, any of them. We will make coefficient of x equal. Here the coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of x is 6. If we multiply equation 1 by 3 and we will keep the equation 2 same. If we multiply the equation 1 by 3, 3 into 2 will be 6, 3 into 3 will be 9, 3 into 10 will be 30. Here is 6x, 7y, and that is 26. Okay. Now we will write here on subtracting. हम लोग यहाँ subtract करने वाले हैं. Plus will be minus, plus will be minus, plus will be minus. 6x plus and 6x minus both will be cancelled. 9y minus 7y, that will be 2y. 30 minus 26, that will be 4. So the y will be 2. We will put the value of y in any of the equation, 1 or 2. Putting value of y in 1. If we put the value of y in 1, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 10, and the value of y is 2. 3 into 2 equal to 6, and x will be 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 equal to 2. The value of x will be 2. Now, if we take another example of such question, linear equation in two variable. In the question, we have to calculate the value of x and y. Let's take an example. 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 1, and 5 upon x plus 7 upon y equal to 10. In such question, if the value of x and y is given in the denominator, we will assume 1 upon x is equal to a. 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. So this will become 2a plus 3b equal to 1, and 5a plus 7b equal to 10. Same, we will make the coefficient of a equal. In equation 1, we will multiply by 5. 5 into 2, 10a, 15b equal to 5. In this equation, we will multiply by 2. 10a plus 14b is equal to 20. Subtract, subtract, subtract. Cancel out. 15 minus 14, b minus 15. b is equal to minus 15. Putting the value of b in equation 1. Putting value of b in 1. 2a plus 3b equal to 1. 2a plus 3b equal to 1. What is B? Minus 15. 2A minus 45 is equal to 1. 2A is equal to 1 plus 45, 46. A equal to 23. A equal to 23. What is A? 1 upon x. What is A? 1 upon x is equal to 23. So x will be 1 upon 23. What is B? 1 upon y. Y will be minus का 1 upon 50. Okay. This is the topic linear equation two variable, where you will be able to find out the value of x in this pair of equation, and there will be word problem also in the paper. Okay. So be prepared for that.